everyone and welcome to a brand new video. Now today I have a very exciting video for you all. I bought a new pony, as you can see, and I've been wanting him for like absolutely forever, and he's so easy to get a hold of. I don't know why I just haven't bought him. There was a few for sale, but I wanted a new in-box one. Finally, after 2 years, I bought my grail, and I know he's so easy to get a hold of. I really don't know why I haven't got him until now. I just haven't, but finally I was like, I just need to get this horse. So here he is. Let's unwrap him because I'm very excited. Oh my god! I see a little pony. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Okay, let's check that out of the way. Look at him! Oh my god, you guys! Look who I got! Oh my god! It's Phoenix. He looks really cute. Let me just. Wow. He looks in really good condition actually from this side. Let's hope that the rest of him is all good and he hasn't got any scratches or anything. He's so cute. Oh my god, I can't wait to open him. So let's see. Back of the box is a little information thing about Phoenix, because he's done off of an actual model, and then a bit about the world of Breyer. Let's just open him up. There we go. Snip, snip, snip. Oh my god. Oh my god, look at this precious pony. Oh my god, right, I'm gonna snip him out of his box and then release him, and we can have a look what he looks like.
These must be annoying things ever. Like when you put in a pony, like get out, everything.
Very good. Let's chuck all this to the side. Okay, let's put a good little horse scene, model horse catalogue with it, a little Breyer catalogue. This is him. Oh my god, he's actually a lot heavier than most of my other models. But look at him! Okay, so I love this horse. He's really heavy, actually. It's a very heavy horse compared to most of my others. As far as I can see, currently, he's in perfect condition, from what I can see. So, and he was delivered all good. There's our new little pony. I'm still trying to come up with a name for him, but oh my god, I love him. I've wanted him for absolutely forever, and I can't believe I got him. I love his markings. He was made in April 2018, which is fitting since that is my birthday month, April, and oh my god, just look at him. Look at his little face. Oh, thank you all for watching, everyone. I'll see you soon with another video that was just a quick unboxing and review of this guy that I am super happy with. Wanted him for ages. He's really heavy. He's really nice. I love this long flowing tail and his mane. I really want to conquer this mould because honestly, it's amazing. But here he is. Thanks for watching. Comment down below some good name suggestions for him. Because I'm not going to keep his name Phoenix because I like them all to have their own unique name. So comment down below a name, like this video if you love this mould, or even if you just like this mould. And subscribe for more unboxing videos, tutorials, speed paints, and other things. See you all soon. Goodbye.